Hello guys! Today, naisipan namin kumain ng K-Barbecue. Ang spacious and neat ng place, then nasa table na rin ang utensils. Ito yung side dishes, meats, and desserts. Anli lahat yan, natatakam na ba kayo? Gusto nyo ba malaman kung saan to? Dito lang yan sa Gogi Menu Buffet sa may The Island Plaza, La Vista Street, Makati City. They have only meats. Uy, premium meats gamit nila ha, kaya ang sarap. Only side dishes, drinks, and dessert. May only ramyun din. Ang nice dito kasi self-service so you can get what you want at tansya mo lang kung gaano kadami ang kukunin mong meats but may 200 fee if may leftover. May only soup din sila and rice. Weekday rate is $5.99 sa lunch, dinner is $6.49. Weekdays and holiday rates, lunch and dinner, $6.49. Child-friendly din sila, may high chair. If kids pala, 5 years old below is free. 6 to 10 years old, half payment, and 11 years old and above, full payment na. Yung ice cream pala, hindi kasama sa only, 50 pesos. Unang sa Gogi Menu para matry nyo na rin.